So you forgot your Landbank user ID, or maybe your iAccess account got locked out? No need to panic. We can easily unlock it using the official Serve Service feature on their website. For the best experience and to avoid any loading issues, I highly recommend you do this from a PC. Just trust me. The full desktop site view is much more stable for this process. The first thing you need to do is type in www.landbank.com/iaccess-user-id-unlocking directly on your computer's browser. Once the page loads, look for a click the unlock your iAccess ID link. After that, go ahead and enter the iAccess ID that you need to unlock and click submit. The system will then send a one time PIN or OTP to your registered email address. So quickly open your inbox, get the code, and enter it. Keeping in mind, you only have 30 minutes to do before it expires. Next, you'll be asked to answer your chosen challenge question. Just type your answer carefully, but remember those rules. It can only be up to 15 characters and spaces or punctuation marks count. But you don't have to worry about capitalization. Finally, once the system successfully validates everything, your iAccess account will be unlocked and you can just click log in to proceed. If all else fails, the Land Bank customer care hotline is always there to assist. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.